Welcome back to Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen with offices in Houston, Texas, and today we're going to discuss the best ways to respond to a request for evidence, a notice of intent to deny, or a continuance on your case. So if you filed an immigration case with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services and you received one of these notices, it means that the government requires more information to make a decision on your case, or they doubt something about your case and now seek clarification. If you do not respond to this request in a timely manner, most likely your case will be denied. So in this video, I'm just going to cover the 3 basic things that you should do, but I see a lot of people getting denied because they failed to do these things. The first tip is to make sure that you mail the response back to the correct place. So on this notice that you received, it should contain an address where you should mail the response. It's not the same address where you mailed in your original set of documents in the first place. Sometimes, if a notice does not contain an address where you should mail it, you should look at the top of the notice itself. Usually there is an address at the top right-hand corner, and this is the address where you should send the response. Tip number 2 is to make sure that you respond before the deadline. Many of these notices contain a particular deadline, so it may tell you that you have 30 days to respond, 60 or 90 days to respond. Make sure that you mail out your response and that it's received by immigration by that date. So don't mail it on that date. You want to make sure that it's received on that date. You have to be very careful because sometimes the due date is on a weekend and immigration is not open on the weekend. So you want to make sure that you send it out on the weekday when they're open. Also make sure that you send it out with either FedEx or UPS or some type of delivery service where you can receive confirmation that they received it. Immigration is notorious for stating that they never received a response on one of these notices. The third and final tip in this video is to make sure that you type out your response. I understand that every person's handwriting is different. However, if a person is not familiar with your particular handwriting, it may be difficult for them to read and respond to. So in our practice, we recommend typing out all of your responses and making sure that you check for grammar and spelling. This way you make the officer's job easy when they have to read over your response. Again, these are just 3 simple tips that you should do in order to effectively respond to one of these notices. In part 2 of this series, we're going to talk about more advanced tips in the next video. So stay tuned next Friday and we're going to release the video on part 2 of this series. Again, thank you for watching Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen, and we hope that we have made immigration easier to understand.
At David Nguyen's Law Office, we are here to help you. We bring families together through immigration. And on the other hand, we help you find solutions. All your legal needs in the hands of people who care, who are there for you. We'll take care of your loved ones at the law office of David Nguyen.